some motherfucking
Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well and Dreamcatcher time! Oh my god. Guys, so I'm gonna be reacting to Good Night and I don't know how because I had the list and you're right. After Chase Me, it's Good Night and I don't know how I missed it. How I missed it. I just directly went to the special clip and then Fly High, and it was written like because the screenshot, the comment that I screenshot, it was properly written like Chase Me, Good Night, and all of that. And I'm really sorry. This is my fault that I missed on Good Night. So Fly High was more like a prequel, and Good Night is actually a proper sequel to Chase Me. So let's not delay this any further. I am already hyped. I am in love with this group. So let's just watch it. I mean, you will rewatch it with me. I'm gonna watch it. So yeah, let's start. Good Night. Ah, yes. This was the music at the end of Chase Me. Yes. Oh! So this was like a spoiler. So Chase Me gave you a spoiler of Good Night. Oh my god, wait. Jordan here. Directed by DG Fedi.
빛이 구름에 그려지는 시간 널 지켜보고 있어 Wait 숨을 죽인 채
Oh wow.
잠드는 때를 노려 자 시간이 됐어 오늘 이 밤이 지나가지 못하게 할 거야 시계를 멈춰 I don't wanna drink Oh baby run 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 멀어지게 run 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 보이지 않는 곳에 벗어날 수 없을걸 또 밟아도 쳤어 끝없이 반복되는 악몽 속에서 이대로 갇혀있었죠 영원히 나만을 위한 인형처럼 baby good night baby good night
Whoa.
난 변함없이 꿈을 지휘하겠지
Need I say again, but I will, that I'm gonna add this to my playlist? Of course I will. I'm gonna add this to my. Oh my god. I love this. My god. When the girls say, baby, good night, and that beat, oh wow. Can I just say, it's not just the singing and the instrumentals, that's great, but let's also appreciate the visuals. The MV looks stunning, the set design, everything. So big applause to the director and the set designer, because you know the placement of things and artifacts and all of that looks great. That forest kind of setup over there, that looks amazing. The outfits of the girls look amazing. Just everything that's making this MV so beautiful. Like, it's a horror theme, but it's also so aesthetically pleasing to look at. Wow. So what I got from the lyrics is that what these girls are saying, that I mean, if you're gonna fall asleep and it's gonna be like a never-ending nightmare, because we're gonna creep into the dreams and you will feel trapped. So you start running, but there is no way out. So I wish you good night. See the next line. I'll be conducting your dreams without change, huh? We're gonna run that back again, ladies and gents. We're running that back again. I just want to read through the lyrics once more. This book is important. Like, the guy goes in and just grabs this book. So this has the secrets of what happened to the girls, huh? So he is the guy. I think he's creeping in through the forest to that home. and they're watching him over. I'm watching over you. Yes. Yeah, so it's like I'm patiently waiting for you to sleep, and then I will not make this night pass. But then you can't wake up after that, because I'm gonna make it like a never-ending nightmare. Okay. So the mirror. See this. So this is the next visual. This is the next visual, where the girl, she's falling through the entire book thingy over there. See. You can't escape no matter how long. Yeah. So whatever visuals you see in the book, that's then in the real thing also that's getting represented. See? It's like whatever haunt the dreams. Oh. 불쌍한 표정 따위 no 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 너를 위해 만든 시간 속인 걸 더 이상 떠나갈 생각은 하지 마. Oh baby welcome to my dream world come 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 in 나만 바라보게 벗어날 수 없어 넌 내 손 안에 있어 끝없이 반복되는 악몽 속에서 이대로 갇혀 있어줘. Did they trap him? What my understanding is that, see, whatever was given in the visuals were drawn in the book, it was actually happening, and then they wanted that book. They wanted, because they feel trapped. That book is like a trap over there. And I'm guessing that they are in the same place, but of course they're stuck. There are like two parallel dimensions. One is the dimension in which the girls are there, which is what? A dream dimension or a ghost dimension? Ghost realm. And then the reality realm, the real realm where the guy is. But I think now they are swapping places. Like the girls want to escape because the book is open. They wanted the book somehow. And then they will trap the guy in their dimension and they will all escape. Huh? Wow, okay. Okay. See? So they have escaped now, right? They left. They trapped the guy in the place and they are free now. Or they've just thrown it. They've thrown it purposefully, no? So the dude is stuck. Okay. 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 Huh. Firstly, I'm adding this to my playlist. Huh? Absolutely. What a song. Amazingly composed and arranged, and the instrumentals their vocals, just fantastic. But even the storyline, like I am so hooked. I am so hooked. It's so sad. My God, the more I am like listening to their discography, I just feel really bad that they are like underrated. And you guys told me, I read in the comments that they didn't have their win yet in the music bank shows, basically, whatever, because pop rock is not a very popular genre. But my God, I mean, there are, when people say that some things, some things cannot be like measured in awards and stuff like that. Like you can't always measure the quality with the awards or accolades. I think Dreamcatcher is a perfect example. Like even though they don't have accolades in their kitty, they are they are probably one of the most talented K-pop groups, and I'm not just saying girl K-pop groups. Like overall, I'm saying in South Korean K-pop scene, girl and boy both, they are really amazing. Oh my God. Oh man, it's really sad that like their talent has not been acknowledged as much, but I love their sound. I love their sound. I just love, like, believe me, I have said it in previous Dreamcatcher reaction also. This is after such a long time. I feel so hyped to discover a new group. I feel so freaking hyped to discover a new group. Like whenever in my schedule I plan, okay, I'm gonna, like, today is the Dreamcatcher reaction day. Today I'm gonna record a Dreamcatcher reaction. I'm like, okay, let's do it. Let's do this. This is what I feel, and it makes me feel amazing because I am so happy to just know of their existence at this point. I love it. This song was amazing. It just gave me everything. It served me. The song served me. Like this was more than like a full 5-course, 6-course meal. I loved it. I feel so full. I feel satiated. Like after you have a great meal and you are like on the top of the world, it feels that. Whenever I react to Dreamcatcher, it feels like that. That's the best way I can describe it. That's the best way I can describe my feeling. So yes, that was the reaction, and those were, my little bit thoughts of what I interpreted from the MV. It was amazing. It was amazing. Good night. Yeah, amazing. So yes, Insomnia, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction and have come till the end. If you have any theories, please let me know in the comments. I would love to read them because, like I said before, I love stories, I love storytelling, and that's why they have just caught my eye now. My eye, my ears, my heart, they've got it. Yes. Yo, Dreamcatcher. So yes, I will end the reaction here. I hope you guys have come till the end and have enjoyed this reaction video. I will see you soon now on my next video.
You are the cause of my euphoria.